same people. We won't make I cripple, we won't make I shubu. One of them won't hurt. Man, I'm balling on them.
What? Pheelz has had an amazing year, man. Beginning the year with one of the biggest records out of the country, if not the biggest this year. Well, no, there's Last, there's Calm Down, and there's probably Finesse. Yeah, but anyway, this was an amazing year for him, especially as an artist, because this was a breakout year for him as an artist, as opposed to being a producer, a prominent producer that has been around for almost a decade now. And shout out to Pheelz. But this one is a new record. I'm hoping it makes sense. I noticed this is not a Warner record, so it's an independent record, Recollective, it looks like. It's called Ballin. Let's hear it.
Tell me, is it real life or is it only just a fantasy? Is this my reality? Shout out to my red tribe. We be this steady to the other ajay. It will only take
Oh shit!
Cause they told me that I couldn't do it, but I did. Full stop, man, I'm balling on them.
What?
Them, man, I'm balling on them. Take a deeper dive, you go realize, now your close guys been they wish you bad. I'm a heart of man deeper down the Nile. So my nigga, watch your back. No choice. Welcome, king of the dancer. Cause they told me that I couldn't do it, but I did.
He's super dynamic on the writing here. A lot of beats, breaks and stops that he's like making and emphasizing on some pockets of his verses. I really love that he's just in and out of transitions for that. I really love what's going on the verses front. The hook that goes damn was it was calm, but definitely was more so excited about the build up into the chorus as opposed to the chorus itself. But yeah, man, that was dope. I mean, dope verses so far. This is definitely a very would I say like a braggadocio or him just like getting into that confidence bag. This is that kind of moment that he's having with these verses here, and I'm not mad at it.
Now we be the same people. We won't make I cripple, we won't make I shubu. One of them won't hurt. With the man go gain if I don't ballin' on them, man, I'm ballin' on them. Take all the go. Tabasa so cool so.
All right, that was Pheelz. Read the Makula, yo. He's balling on his haters, you know. I like it. I like the record. It's not bad whatsoever. I think it goes a long way to show his pen and show at least his dynamic writing, or at least how he's structuring the song. He's so experienced in it. He has made classic records with this same brain and same mindset of keeping the song not boring. Like, the listener shouldn't be like, yeah, just keeping the record. That's one of the worst things you can do to a song, is to keeping the momentum or keeping the energy constant throughout the entire run of the song. The ear is quickly gets tired of things, and I really enjoyed how he structured it, and it showed in the production level. He also showed in his writing how he made it dynamic, and I think it's a nice approach that he did here. The song is about essentially what it is, balling on your haters, and it's speaking into that vein of him. It seems quite, I won't say relatable, but at least it seems quite genuine, knowing the I guess the transition he has had this year, having two fantastic records, Finesse and Electricity, that have done very well in the country. So it's like, yeah, it's one of those things that it seems true. The pen seems true. Like, I'm sure he had doubters, people that doubted his transition into an artist as well. So I definitely, this is another point. It's the same thing Adekunle Gold, same mindset Adekunle Gold had for a while. There was a lot of resistance to him transitioning into a pop scene, and then when he got into the pop scene and excelled in the pop scene, a lot of records started becoming about how he's pushing against the haters. And I think Pheelz is in that bag right now. Is in that headspace of like addressing that. And it's cool to see that being put up front as a single even as well. It's another thing that, okay, like he's really serious about this message. But again, good record, smooth chords on there, like Pheelz has always done. It has this very luxurious atmosphere, almost something you would liken to like Money and Love by KLP. Well, KLP was not on that, sorry. Fresh Young Nigga by KLP, or Money and Love by P2J. That luxurious atmosphere, again, because he's trying to ball on his haters, so it makes sense that he went for that atmosphere. So it was not a bad record whatsoever, man. That was Pheelz with Ballin. Alright,